You alright?
Yep.
12 minutes. Your side all gone?
Yeah.
Oh shit, alright. Should be alright, I think. Huh? Did you say last ones?
Yeah, last three.
Shit, okay. There we go. Ready?
That fucking ripped.
Guys. Nice job. It was going too slow. I couldn't help myself. I had to get trigger happy at the end there.
A little slow up at the end. Hey, it made for a great ending. Holy fuck.
You see how bad that smoke's lingering up there?
Oh, it's terrible looking.
Dude, the whole show, I cannot believe it.
You can't see it. I looked up and I could not see any of the fucking fireworks. I'm like, dude.
That is a fucking string, motherfucker.
Yeah, there's one string.
Fuck.
Pretty action-packed if I have to say. Fuck yeah, man. Some of them shells fucking a little bit of a
Michelle just called me. I gotta see what she wanted.
Some of them shells, man.
Hey, it's Michelle. Just want to say great job. Everybody lovely.
Oh, awesome. Good to hear. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great night.
Okay.
All right.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
have to get a check.
Oh.
So, you're over here, like the river, the street party was River Street. And, yeah, where everybody gone? Okay, where is she? Okay. Yeah, so you walk over that bridge. It's like if you go to River Street, there's a bridge. And if you go over the bridge, we're right there. I'll give you a check, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thanks. Bye. You guys heard that? She loved it, right?
Yeah.
Sweet, guys. Nice job. Nice job, fellers.
Some of them shells, man. They made me question. They made me do a little bit of a double take. Did I just like
Yo, he had a fucking close. I'm glad you guys are. Everyone's all right, man.
Yeah, I had a couple. Close
It's different
ones.
when you're in there compared to out here. Like, I like got scared for you guys because I wasn't like when you're in there and you're adrenaline. You're like, ugh.
You don't feel it.
Don't
I had
really
a
pay
couple
attention.
shells go up right in my goddamn face.
Well, I had one that just like it cracked. Like it sounded like that thing was